night very memorable. Just have your bottles and your wines refilled. And then face your partner. And before you go ahead and toss the glass and cross your arms, you just need to repeat before after me. Ayan. Ayan. So repeat after me. As if let's do something like a vow. Ayan. Ayan. Face your partner. Mamaya na muna mag-inom. Ayan. Harap po muna kayo sa partner po ninyo. Ayan. Tapos sabihin niyo po ito sa bawat isa. State your name. Promise to love you and cherish your love forever. Until that forever is defined. I will always love you till death do us part. And you may go ahead and kiss your partner now. Ayan. And then cross your glasses and let's drink to love. Oh, lovely.